The Ford EcoSport key fob, models 2018 through 2023, requires a specific battery, the CR2032, which is a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This CR2032 battery is a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell, non-rechargeable with a shelf life of over 10 years when stored properly. Remember to orient it with the positive side up, as indicated by the plus mark or ridge. The CR2032 is inexpensive, costing under $5, and widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. For reliability, make sure to purchase a genuine brand battery to avoid problems like shorter lifespan or malfunction. You'll only need one essential tool for this job, a small flathead screwdriver. As an alternative, you can use a dedicated key fob opening tool. Plastic is preferred to avoid scratching the casing. Optionally, you can use a small towel or cloth to protect the key fob casing while you're prying it open. Locate the small seam on the back of the key fob, typically near the key ring attachment. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam and carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. You may need the screwdriver to help. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Press down gently to secure it in place. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. Test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. The car should respond accordingly. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery orientation by ensuring the positive side with the plus sign faces up. Make sure you're using a new, genuine CR2032 battery, as counterfeit ones may not last long. If problems persist, the fob may have internal damage, and you should consult a Ford dealer. Remember to recycle the old battery responsibly at electronics stores and always work in a clean, dry area to prevent moisture damage.